Welcome back, children. Welcome, my grade 2 class. How are you all? Okay, now this is your science lesson, right? And I'm going to ask you a question that is very, very important. Now, which is the unit that we have started this week? What is the name of that unit actually? Yes, correct. The name of that unit is leaves. Yes, we have started the unit leaves, right? And what was the topic that we did yesterday? Yes, yes, we have learned about the different parts of leaf. And how many different parts of leaves do we have? There are only three parts of leaves. Can you name them for me, please? Yes, midrib, correct. Veins, correct. And leaf blade. Wow, great, good job. Very good. Now, today what we are going to learn is we are going to learn about the different kinds of leaves. There are lots and lots of kinds of leaves, right? So we are going to learn about them, that how many kinds of leaves are there, or how do they look like leaves are of different shapes, they are of different sizes. Some of leaves they might have a smooth texture, some of them might have a rough texture, some of them might have a hard or sharp texture, or they might have a saw-like edges texture. So they have different textures, right? Because their leaves are of different kinds, they are of different types, right? Basically, leaves are of two types. They are simple also, and they are compound also. I'm going to show you the picture so that it's going to be clear to you that what is a simple leaf and what is a compound leaf. Can you see my picture here, class? Yes, correct. Now you can see here there are two types of leaves. This is a simple leaf and it is a compound leaf. Now see, when one leaf grow on a leaf stalk, now this is a leaf stalk and one leaf grows in a leaf stalk, so it is called a simple leaf. But when there are more than one leaves which grow on the leaf stalk, then it is called a compound leaf. And the small leaves which are running here and there, these are the leaflets. So you can see these two these two pictures of leaves. The leaves are almost the same types, right? This is also this type of leaf. This is also the same type. But since it is there is only one leaf on the leaf stalk, so it is a simple leaf. But here there are more leaves on the leaf stalk, so this is a compound leaf, right? You understood, class? How the leaves are different and how they are alike. So basically, if there is only one leaf on the leaf stalk, it will be a simple leaf. But if there are more than one leaf, it will be a compound leaf. Right? Understood? Okay. Now I'm going to show you the video, which again is our Edward video about showing us about the different types of leaves. Right? Do watch the video carefully. Can you see my screen? There you go.
Leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Let's talk about few of them. Alder. Alder leaves are erect in shape and have a leathery touch, so it's not very soft. Then there is chestnut. Chestnut leaves comprise 5 to 7 pointed, toothed leaflets, so they're very sharp in the corner. Then there are oak leaves. Oak leaves have very deep lobes and smooth edges. Then we have the old famous maple leaf. The maple leaf is the characteristic leaf of the maple tree, also found in orange and red color. Beech leaf. Beech leaves are oval and pointed at the tip with a wavy edge.
Alright, so this was all about the different types of leaves, different kinds of leaves, right? And there is one kind of leaf which might be of orange and red color. And what that leaf is called, we have seen just now seen in the video. Correct. That leaf is called a maple leaf. Which leaf? Maple leaf. They come in red and orange color also, right? But as I have shown you another picture in the first class of different kinds of leaves in which the color of leaves were green, orange, brown, or red. And I have also told you why the color of the leaves are brown, because when they are dead, they are starting to die, and it's autumn season in which the leaf starts falling down, so the color also changes. This is what I explained you that time. Yes, so you can see that there are so many different types of leaves, different kinds of leaves, right? And when the leaf is when there is only one leaf on the leaf stalk, that is called a simple leaf. But when there are more than one leaf on the leaf stalk, those leaves are called compound leaf. And the small leaves of a compound leaves, they are called the leaflets. Now, if you open your page number 30, here you can see the kinds of leaves and the same information which I have discussed with you just now. They have given that when one leaf grows on the leaf stalk, it is called a simple leaf. When two or more small leaves grow on a leaf stalk, the leaf is called the compound leaf. The small leaves of a compound leaf are called leaflets, right? You can see there, this is a simple leaf and these are the compound leaf. And the small leaves which are here, these are the leaflets, right? So this is basically different kinds of leaves, and the topic which we have to complete today was the different kinds of leaves. You have seen in the video, you have seen in the picture also. Now is the time for you to do the class task. Now what you have to do, children, you have to draw in your notebooks two types of leaves, simple leaf and a compound leaf. And then you have to write down few sentences what a simple leaf is and what a compound leaf is, right? Like I have just now explained you, you can take help from your book also, it's already given there. Alright, so since it's a lengthy task, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes for this task. So your time starts now. All right, time is up. Okay, now this time, the time is to show me your work. Okay, yes, Sad, what have you, how have you drawn the leaf? Can you show me a picture? Wow, that is great, very good. Okay, now read out the information also. Wow, great job. I'm so happy for you all. That's very, very nice. Good, great, children. Now, that means that you know what a simple leaf is and what a compound leaf is. Since tomorrow is Thursday and you will not have your science lesson with me, and on Friday again it's a reinforcement, that is your revision day, right? So whatever we have done, whatever is covered in this whole week, just go through that, revise everything, just read every information which is there in your book about leaves, do everything, all the questions which you have already done in class, which you have done in homework also. Revise everything, children, because I'm going to take, as you know, every Friday we have a test day. So I'm going to take a test on all the things that we have covered up till now of this unit. That is the unit of leaves. Okay, not the other one, not the previous one, only this unit of leaves. Do revise that, okay? And do your homework, which I'll be posting, right? Okay, so just quickly wrapping up the session, quickly tell me in one sentence, what was the topic which we have done in the class, or what you have learned in the class. Yes, sir. We have learned about different kinds of leaves. Very good. We have learned about different kinds of leaves, right? And any other thing you can, if you can tell me in other words, like Sarah, can you tell me in your own words something else you have learned about simple and compound leaf? Very good. I'm so happy for both of you, Sad and Sarah. That's a great thing. Very good. That means you understood. You have understood today's task, that what we did, what we learned in the class, right? That was about different kinds of leaves, and basically there are two kinds of leaves, simple and compound. And you know their difference, and you have seen the video also in which we have shown so many different kinds of leaves, oak leaves, maple leaves, beech leaves, and there were so many. Do watch these videos, go on our website and do watch these videos again so that it's very, very much clear in your minds and you will remember everything. Okay? All right. See you next week, children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.